going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. TGS here, also known as Tech Gun Sports Lover. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. What you have right here in front of you is just a collection of my flashlights. I'm a big flashlight guy, and I think there's a good flashlight for every situation. I generally keep a flashlight in my car, in my bug out bag, and just around the house in general. Every time I step out of the house as a part of my everyday carry, I have a flashlight. So today I want to talk about a really inexpensive flashlight that I received in the mail from a company that goes by the name of Deserve Price. They sent me several items which I'll be reviewing in the next couple of days. Now, Deserve Price, what they do is they distribute products from many different companies, sort of like what Amazon does. Now, this particular flashlight is made by a company that goes by the name of Ultra Fire. This is their Xml T6 flashlight. As you can see, it has a pretty decent build quality to it. It's made of 6061 alloy aluminum, so it should be pretty sturdy and it should last a while. It's got a Cree light, which is a pretty high power LED, and supposedly has a lifespan of about 100,000 hours or more on that lamp here. So that's pretty good. Obviously, I probably won't be able to test that because I probably won't be using this flashlight for that long of a period of time. Let's go ahead and open up the back. The flashlight is powered by 3 AAA batteries. As you can see, the housing here, and just drop it right in like so, and go ahead and put the cap back on. It does have a push button activation switch, which is green on the back, and you do have an attachment here where you can actually run your hand through it or attach it to a belt or a bag. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I would not recommend submerging this for any length of time, because this is not what I consider a high-end flashlight. These are very, very inexpensive. I think these go for about $10 to $15 on Amazon. So back to the water thing, I wouldn't submerge them because you'll probably get water inside the housing and it will probably ruin the flashlight, even though the description on Amazon says it's waterproof. Alright, you got a little bezel here up front that can also be used as a defensive tool. Not sure how well you guys can see that. So if you have to punch or stab somebody with that, it can be used in that capacity. As I said, the Cree is an Xml T6 LED super bright light. And in a second, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the lights off. And I'll show you the different modes that it has as well. Now, this is supposed to be rated at 1600 lumens at max power. I highly doubt that it's 1600 lumens based on what I've seen so far, but I'm going to do a couple tests and I'll show you guys with the lights off, and you can decide for yourself. But I don't believe it's 1600 lumens at full power. Now, is that a deal breaker? Not necessarily. I still think it's a pretty good value at the $10 to $15 price point. Okay, the size is 155 by 40 millimeters. You got a weight of 180 grams, so it's not very heavy, which is a good thing. And of course, it's all black, just with the company branding here, and you do have markers here telling you the distance that it goes out. Now, it's supposed to go out to about 5 meters. And it does have a zoom capability, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And what you do is simply pull it out like so, and the light that it illuminates is going to get smaller, and then you push it back, it's going to get of course wider. Okay, so Let me go ahead and set my camera up. I'll let you guys look at it in the dark. Stand by. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a non-scientific test, if you will. I'm just standing in my bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the light looks like as it's projected onto my back wall. Now keep in mind that this is rated at 1600 lumens. I'm going to toggle through the different modes here. Okay, now we're going to put it on its brightest setting here. This is its brightest setting. Let me just kind of pan around a little bit. So as you can see, it does illuminate pretty much my entire wall right above my bed. So it covers a pretty good surface area here. So this is rated at 1600 lumens. Now let me just show you the zoom capability. Go down a little bit. As I push, see if I can show you this. So as you can see, you can zoom in, and as you zoom out, that light gets bigger. So that's a really good feature. I really do like that feature, because you can really get in tight on something that you're looking at a distance. So that's really good. So let me give you a comparison. Let's go ahead and turn this back on. Keep in mind, you got 1600 lumens per the website. Now I'm going to turn on another flashlight. Now this particular flashlight right here is rated at 600 lumens. Okay, so 600 lumens, 1600 lumens. So you guys be the judge. As I said, it doesn't look like this flashlight is 1600 lumens at high power. But again, it's not a deal breaker for me. I really do like this light, and I still would recommend it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up. Again, this is the Ultrafire Xml T6 flashlight. Again, you can get these on Amazon for about $10 to $15. I think it's a good value, and I think it may even be a very good EDC light given the weight and the size. I appreciate you guys joining me. Down below I'm going to include all the details to where you can go and pick this up.